Hello everyone, that video was getting too longer, so I divided the video into two parts. So in this video, we will continue from the last topic, which is methods or functions, the built-in methods or functions for string data type, right? So let us see what does it actually means, right? And this is going to be very interesting for you all. What I am doing, I am just creating here. Let me write here name, right? I'm creating this variable name, and in this I am writing Daisy, right? So this is my variable and I'm executing it. Again, I am writing, please pay attention here that I am writing the variable name here, and then I am putting this dot. This dot is also known as period, and as soon as I put this dot here after this name variable, I'm going to press tab, and these are the already available methods which are present in Python for string data type. You can see there are a lot and lot of functions which are available. So now my advice is, do not remember anything. You don't have to remember each and every function, that what is this function doing, what is that function doing. No, just practice, just keep on practicing, and you will be, you'll be used to all these things. At least you should know that yes, we can do this. Like, it's not that you have to remember all these things, but at least the major point is here that if someone asks you, can we do this with string, so that should be the idea, that yes, we can do this. How? Then again, Google is there, right? So let us see this, what is the meaning of this. Let me see what function can we use. Okay, let us use all these is function first, right? So I'm going to use is alpha, right? I'm putting here, and then I am using this parenthesis. Let us see what this is going to return. This is printing true. This means that whether this name variable consists of all alphabets, if it is right, then print true, else print false, right? Let's try with some other variable, and in name one I am printing Tom, right? And instead of Tom, I will write here Tom1, right? Not Tom1. Let me write here age, right? Age is equal to 23, right? And this variable is created age, then this period button, and again this tab, and is alpha, right? This function, it's not alpha, alpha, right? Alpha. This time this is returning me false because these are numbers, not alphabets, right? Similarly, we have these many functions starting from is decimal, is digit, is identifier. For time being, ignore this is identifier, is lower. Let us check this, but not with age. Let us check this with name, and is lower, right? This lower, I am going to use this lower and parenthesis, then execute. It's false because not all the items of this name variable is in lower case. Basically this is for case, right? Whether the items available in the variable are small letters or in block letters, right? Similarly, we have functions like is upper, is title, is space, is printable, is numeric. So try these things. Leave this ascii for this video and try with this all num, alpha, is decimal, is digit. Practice it on you, right? And if you face any kind of doubt, you can just ping me in the comment section. I will try to figure it out. Then let us create another variable. What I am doing, I am creating a variable a, and in this I am typing a difference, right? This is just another variable, and I have written here a difference, right? Now again, a, the variable name, then this period or dot, and then this tab button, right? So suppose I want to use this function count. Let us see what this function count, and in this what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass f. So see, this actually returns the frequency, the number of times a particular element is present. So this f is present for 2 times, right? So this has given me 2. Again use this function, this count, and then let me write here e. As we can see that e is present, the frequency of e is 3. Let me see 3 comes or not. Okay, so yes, I am getting this 3. Let me see what all other functions we have. Let us use this capitalize function, right? So what it is doing, it is making the very first item of the variable capital, right? So here you can see that d was present and in small letters. Here what it has done, this capitalize function, it has converted it into capital letter. Then again let us see what all other functions are left. Center, count, encode, expand tab, find, format, right? Let me show you one very important function. Um, let me show you. Okay, so this starts with, right? A dot starts with. Let me write here S. It is giving me false, right? So this basically means that the variable A, does it start with this item? No, it starts with D. That is why it has given me false here, right? Again, guys, if you think that I'm speaking very fast, then you just can slow me down. You have this option, you have this feature available with YouTube, right? Okay, now our next function would be ends with. Similarly, the same, just like we have done with starts with, we have another function ends with. It is now your duty to explore this function. Let me see what all functions we have to discuss, like important functions. There is one function, this join function. Okay, so this is a very important function, this join function. So what it does, let us see. Here what I will do, I will write here this asterisk, and then in the parenthesis I am going to write a, the variable name. Let us see what does it do. It's again a very important function. This starts with, ends with, this join function. Another one is this split function. These 4 to 5 functions are very much important, right? Let me execute this. See, so this has joined each and every item with this asterisk symbol, right? After D we have this asterisk symbol. So all the items in between it has put this asterisk symbol, right? The another function is this split function, SP, and see there is one thing I should tell you, I must tell you. You write the variable name, then you put this period symbol, and if you know, suppose if you know the function name but you are not able to recall the name fully, right? Suppose I want to use this split function but I am not able to recall the exact name of this function. Suppose I am taking that, I know that it starts with something like split. Okay, so I will write SP and then I will press tab. It will automatically show me the recommendations, right? So I will use this first, and here what I will do, I will write E. Let me check, let me show you what it does. It is again a very beautiful function, right? So I am just pressing shift and enter and see DIFF, then it has omitted this E and it has separated the letter, and then it has given me the original item was difference, and it has split this string with E, right? With E it has split in the variable. Wherever e was present, it has omitted that, and it has created a separation in between, right? So I hope you have learned a lot in this video. And again guys, see, I will say this again and again, more and more you will type, more and more you will practice, you will get, you will become confident, right? There is not any shortcut key that you will just see this video and you will get everything. No, you have to practice along with me. And the reason that I'm not sharing all these files is simply that I'm not executing anything, anything very much complex here. I understand that many of you are beginners right there, but try to understand, guys, that you have to practice. There is no problem if you do mistakes, if you commit mistakes. There is simply no problem, right? Even if it is better for you to understand that why are you making the mistakes, right? This is called debugging, right? You don't have to go into the depth of this, but yes, you are debugging your own problems, you are trying to solve your own problems. And this is a very important characteristic, I should say, of a good programmer, right? So if you are doing this, if you are solving your own problems, you are improving, right? You are improving yourself as a programmer. With this, I will just end this video, right? And we'll meet in the next video.